Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect or pair Bluetooth devices and other phones with your Samsung phone. Bluetooth is an important feature that makes sharing easy and quick, so knowing how to use it properly can save you a lot of time. Let's get started and learn everything you need to know. Method 1. Using quick settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Tap on Bluetooth. If you don't see the Bluetooth icon readily, you might need to swipe down again to expand the quick settings panel. With Bluetooth turned on, the phone will start scanning for available devices. Or you can scan manually by tapping on Scan at the bottom. Locate the desired device from the list of available devices. Tap on it. You might see a pairing request pop up on both your phone and the other device. Tap Pair from both devices, and then tap Done. Method 2. Using settings. Open Settings, tap Connections, toggle on Bluetooth if it's not already enabled, or tap Bluetooth, tap on Scan from the top right corner. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of available devices. Tap on the desired device you want to pair with. You might see a pairing request pop up on both your phone and the other device. Tap Pair from both devices. These are the ways to connect or pair Bluetooth devices with your Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you, and I'll catch you in the next one.